2023, Honda HR-V. Honda has introduced the HR-V in Indonesia with a turbocharged engine. The HR-V is available in 4 trim levels. Only the RS variant gets the turbo 1.5-liter gasoline engine, which makes 175 horsepower and 240 Nm of torque. The Honda HR-V is more aggressive than the current model and has a more prominent lower fascia. The grille has an octagonal shape with an S-shaped mesh pattern. The headlights have a boxier look. The taillights have a sleeker appearance. The updated bumper has a black panel between body color pieces, for a look that accentuates the vehicle's width. The Indonesian RS specification HR-V now stands as the most powerful version of the third-generation model that comes with an internal combustion engine. The more powerful versions are both electric but only sold in China. The Indonesian specification HR-V looks sporty, highlighted by various body kits that go with the RS badge. The Philippines will be the next country to get the turbocharged HR-V, which will happen this April. All HR-V models in the Philippines are to be equipped with the Honda Sensing suite of safety features. The Honda HR-V in the United States is different from the one that is available elsewhere. The new HR-V will be designed to meet the distinct needs of United States customers, and will differ from the Honda HR-V that will be introduced in other countries. There are no technical details about the HR-V for the US market. The Indonesia version is available with a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder producing 175 horsepower and 240 Nm of torque. That output is very similar to the 180 horsepower and 177 pound-foot output that the 1.5-liter turbo mill that is available in the Honda Civic. What do you think of this car? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.